Hey Shopify merchants! This video will guide you to connect your Google Search Console property to Tapita.
Google Search Console property and connect it to Tapita app. First you go to Google Search Console. Over here you add property and make sure to choose URL prefix. Over here my website is tapita.io, then I copy this URL, paste it here, continue, and I scroll to HTML tab, copy this tab, and go back to our Tapita app, Google Search Console feature, and paste the code I just copied here, save. Right, now I will need to wait about 5 to 10 minutes. And then I go back here, press verify. Okay, after you're done verifying your Google Search Console property, you can go back to our app. Over here, you connect to your account, your Google account. Continue. Select the permission and then continue. After that, over here you will be able to select the Search Console property which match your website. Mine is tapita.io. Connect. And from here you can use our feature.